Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mahdalena Agustin, student ID 244120025, Class AKT 24A, Accounting Study Program, Universitas Technocrat Indonesia. Here, I will explain the material about unemployment. Unemployment is a condition where individuals who are part of the active labor force are seeking jobs but are unable to find employment. A high unemployment rate reflects an imbalance between the supply of labor and the demand for labor in the economy. Types of unemployment. Seasonal unemployment occurs due to seasonal changes affecting certain sectors, e.g. agriculture, tourism. Cyclical unemployment, caused by a decline in economic activity during a recession. Structural unemployment occurs due to changes in the economic structure that cause a mismatch between the skills of the workforce and market needs. Frictional unemployment, temporary unemployment when someone is transitioning between jobs. Technological unemployment, the result of automation and technological advancements replacing human labor. Voluntary unemployment, when someone chooses not to work despite having the opportunity. Causes of unemployment, the mismatch between the skills of the workforce and market needs. Decrease in aggregate demand during a recession. Changes in technology and economic structure. Information barriers in job searching. Seasonal factors in several sectors. The impact of unemployment on the macroeconomy. Decrease in productivity and economic output. Unemployment reduces the available workforce, thereby lowering national output. Negative impact on economic growth. There is a negative correlation between the unemployment rate and the growth of gross domestic product, GDP, known as Okun's Law, which states that a 1% increase in unemployment can reduce GDP by about 2%. Decline in public purchasing power. Unemployment reduces household income, leading to a decrease in purchasing power, which in turn reduces aggregate demand and slows down economic growth. Decrease in investment. Economic uncertainty due to unemployment reduces investor confidence, lowering investment, which impacts production capacity and the creation of new jobs. Social and poverty impact. Unemployment can widen social and economic gaps, increasing poverty and social dependency. Economic development barrier. Unemployment causes human resources to be underutilized, thereby hindering long-term economic development. The relationship between unemployment, inflation, and macroeconomic policy. The Phillips curve describes the relationship between unemployment and inflation, although this relationship is not always consistent across all countries. Fiscal and monetary policies can be used to reduce unemployment, for example, through increased government spending and investment incentives to create jobs. Efforts to address unemployment. Improving the quality of human resources through education and training to meet the needs of the job market. Encouraging investment and job creation through conducive economic policies. Developing labor-intensive economic sectors. Improving the labor market information system so that job seekers and job vacancies can meet more easily. Macroeconomic policies to stabilize the economy and encourage growth.